Hello, my name is Angela Garcia. I'm 26 years old. I have a lot of experience during my life. The first one was when I had the opportunity to travel and study in another city, in another country, as Panama. I like a lot this experience because I met a lot of people and I knew new things as the culture and the tourist places. I had to learn to cook by myself because I was very spoiled by my mom because she cooked me delicious meal. This experience was so grateful to me because I learned to be independent during my life. I have wanted to be professional and achieve all my goals to help my family and enjoy my life. In the end, I want to live and step of someone, but not all. It's okay. I have suffered things that really affect me a lot. So I remember when my mom started with her depression with an accident that she had when I was 24 years old. All my family was affected by it because when my mom has these accidents, we feel so alone in our house. An additional 5 months later, she started to change her thoughts, her feelings, different things, and for different things that for us were unique. She felt alone and depressed with all the things. She didn't make up and didn't cleaning in the house. She said to me that she didn't to do anything. Later, she started to take some pills to help with her depression. Nowadays, she's better, but I miss how she was. On the other hand, in my life, I've had a lot of experiences of different types. So I remember my first love. With him, I was with him for 5 years. Mm, he was my first boyfriend. Also, he was the only person that taught me to love and feel better with myself. But one day we tried to live together, but it didn't work. So we took the decision to break up and continue with our lives. But I suppose that we had a teaching about it. I like all this type of experience of my life because it has related to love, job and familiar, and I think that it helped me to improve all the aspects of my life. Today I want to be a great teacher in all my jobs, but I have a big opportunity to increase my abilities and responsibilities in my lives with my job. But I feel a lot of scare of failing in the afternoon because I want to learn a lot of things to improve my professional life, and this is my life. Thanks for your attention.